Hey guys, Dr. Chad here. With me is a good buddy here, John. John's got a really powerful story.
I lost 7 inches on my waist, and I've lost most of my body fat.
Feeling good, more energy.
I feel way more energy than I have in years, and I'm not taxing my knees or my joints because my knees and my ankles and that were not built to carry the kind of weight that I was carrying around in the past. Because I was up to 239 pounds. To get down to 185 is, to me, was a huge success. And,
when was the last time you were below 200 pounds? Anyway?
wow, 25 plus years.
Wow.
It was a long time.
Right.
I was in my 30s, early 30s when I was below 200. And then I ballooned up from there. So in the beginning, when I first started to lose weight, some of it was stressful, so I found this place with Dr. Chad here. They've been phenomenal helping me to get to my goals, because when my body's working correctly, you know, the weight was coming off and I didn't have any problems in any way, shape, or form. I just about a little over a month ago, I got off my diabetic meds.
Awesome.
That was one of my goals, and so now basically I'm no longer a diabetic, because even I've been monitoring my blood sugar levels, and they've been in the 80s and 90s, a little bit over 100 depending what I eat. And I'm still maintaining my weight. My goal weight was 185. I reached that a few weeks ago, so I went out and had a steak dinner, so that was good.
I love it. How many pounds are you down now?
So I'm down 54 pounds total.
54 pounds down.
And I credit a lot of it to Dr. Chad. My wife Ron and I have always been holistic, and we've always followed that line of thinking. We've done a lot of different things, homeopathics and holistic medicine and acupuncture and you name it. I'm sure that we've been through it before, but for us, that was a way of life, and my kids now are following suit. We take supplements because we can't get enough. We eat enough food to get the supplements that we need. So,
and you're looking good. You're starting to buy some new clothes because everything's starting to fall off of you.
Yeah, all of my suits I had to get rid of, and I had to buy a new suit because I'm going to a prom, so to speak. It's an adult prom.
Nice.
And so that's going to be fun. Some friends of ours are putting it on in lieu of a Christmas party. One of the things that my wife Rhonda told me that she would like to see from me is that longevity in life, so that I can be here for my kids. I got a granddaughter, I got a 15-year-old daughter, a 19-year-old son, and a 25-year-old son.
I think your story is extremely powerful, and I'm glad you're honoring your wife's wish, and best of luck. So continued health to you, and I appreciate everything. Thanks for sharing. All right.
Appreciate it.
Very good. Love it.
All right.
All right, see you guys.
See ya.